Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to book a flight from the US to Indonesia, specifically Bali. So we are going to use United.com, United Airlines to book the flights, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So first off is you need to log into your United account. Then once you're logged in, you're going to be in this window. So what I like to do is I try to book one-way flights. One quick tip if you guys are trying to book a flight is you need to look for an airline hub. So what is an airline hub? So basically an airline hub is an airport used by one or more airlines to concentrate passenger traffic and flight operations. So since we're using United Airlines to book our flights, they have 7 hubs in the US and they are Newark Liberty International Airport. This is in New York. Washington Dulles, Chicago O'Hare, Houston George Bush International, Denver International Airport, San Francisco, and Los Angeles. I'm from the West Coast, so I'm going to focus on these 3 hubs to start off. And let me show it to you guys. So let's do Los Angeles, LAX, going to Bali. So make sure that to click this box right here, book with miles, and put in your dates. So let's just say you guys want to leave on December 9, one adult, and let's just do it first in economy and find flights. So right now in here you can see a 7-day calendar, and I would recommend clicking on this. So we're gonna do a month view of basically a month view. If you scroll down, you will see here there are 3 columns: economy, business, and first. So we're going to focus on economy, and right here out of the bat you can see 130,000 miles, and we don't want that. That's too much miles to book this flight. So we're going to look for so over here it's on the 9th, so the lowest miles that you can book on the 9th is 130,000 points. So the key here, if you guys are looking for a flight, is you need to be flexible with your dates. So over here on the 8th it says 48,000. You only need 48,000 points. So right here you will see there's a saver award that you can book a flight from LAX to Bali for only 48,000 points. So you might want to consider this. So that's a quick way to do it. But let's just say you want to book a flight in business. So you want to travel in comfort, you want to travel in style. So how do you do that? So one way to filter this out is you need to click on this button right here, sort and filter, then sort by business lowest. So nothing's happening, so let's just go ahead and go back. Then here, let's put again LAX to Bali and December 8th. But this one, try to click on this and click on business and find flights. So again, we're gonna click on the flexible calendar so we can see the full month view. And right now, and actually I forgot again, click this sort and filter, click best price, business lowest, and hit apply. Okay, so right now what I'm seeing is there are 2 business class availability, but it's in November. So we can click on this because the rest is just 272,000 points, which is too high. The sweet spot here is if you're looking for a business class flight, sometimes it will go around 80,000 to 90,000. That's when you'll know you guys are getting a good deal. If you see this 100,000 or 272,000, that's too much points. So anyways, going back, just click on this. So right now I can see here that they still have 1 ticket left at this price, 86,000 points. Make sure that okay. So there are 3 remaining, 1 ticket left at this price. So you guys can book this if you guys want to, but just a quick warning, if you see this, it says mixed cabin. This means that the flights are not in, not all the flights are in business class. So how do I know that? So if you click on this, if you hover on the details and click it, so right here it says from Los Angeles to Tokyo, Japan, you're flying in business, United Polaris business, so that's good. And normally with the United Polaris business, this is a lie down seat. So basically you can sleep on a bed because it's lying down, and it's nice because this is almost 12 hours. So you don't want to fly in economy. So if you fly in business, it's more comfortable because you can lie down, you can get some rest. So moving forward, so after you arrive to Japan, there's a 2-hour connection, almost 3 hours. Then the next flight would be from Tokyo Narita, NRT's Narita, to Singapore. And here it's almost 8 hours, and it's only in economy. So yeah, make sure to keep that in mind. Then after that, there's a connection in Singapore for 6 hours, and the next flight is Singapore to Bali in business. So if this is business, there's a good chance it's going to be a lie down seat. But how do you know when it's a lie down seat? So you can do this. So highlight this, SQ. So that's the flight number, and this is the plane type, 737. So just quickly Google this, business class. You can also put Singapore to Bali. So you can check some of these links here. So I'll just open this and click on the images. Right here, we're looking at Boeing 737 in Singapore Airlines. So right now, I'm looking at this photo, Singapore Airlines new B737. So let's click on this. I don't know if this is just a reclining seat or it's a lie down seat, but let's check the other website. Okay. So based on this website, this article, they do have the business class seats, but it only reclines. So it doesn't really fully transform into a lie down seat. So you're still in business, but not in a lie down seat. But you know what? So that's fine because you're only flying in less than 3 hours anyway. So all right. So this is a recliner seat. But this one, the United Polaris Business, this is a lie down seat. So let's check it out. So let's go to Google, just copy this. All right, 787, 10, 832. So based from just looking at this videos, here, let's click on this, 787. Here you go, Seat Guru is a good one to know if it's a lie down seat. So I'll also hit images, United Boeing 787s right here. See, so I can already tell that this is a lie down seat since you have your own little cabin and there's plenty of space. It looks like a business class, not economy flight. So let's double check again over here. Seat map 787. So this is economy, this is premium economy, and this is business. And once you see this photo right here, let me zoom in. See, it looks like a bed. So that, it says here, United Polaris Business. So that means it's a lie down seat. See, right here, United Polaris Business Class. Click this, 3D seat view. All right, so it looks nice. See, it transforms into a lie down seat. So there you go. Perfect. So I'm on United Airlines as our website. So right there, it's good. Let me just close this. All right, so that will give you an idea on the seats if it's a mixed cabin. So always make sure to check on this. All right. So you need to figure out which one would you prefer. So here there are 3 options. One is 31 hours of total flight time. One is 42 hours, and 42 hours. So if you want the fastest one, you can click on the first option. But if you guys want the longer one, you can do a layover in another country. So So this one, it has a connection of 2 hours. Well, this one is 17 hours and 10 minutes. So you're stopping in Singapore. So you're arriving at 1 a.m. Then you're leaving at 6. So if you want to choose this option, you can basically go around Singapore for half a day. Since you're arriving at 1 a.m. and your flight is 6, you can go around in the morning. A free layover is what I'm saying. So also a good option for you guys. Let's just keep it simple. You want to go to your destination, to Bali as soon as possible. So we're going to select this and it'll take you to this page. Make sure you just fill out this form. So you're gonna do new traveler. You put in your name, last name, just fill all of these out. But since I already have my account, so it'll just auto-populate this. Then after that, so the reason why I cannot go to the next page is I don't have enough award miles. So make sure to, once you're ready to book your flight, make sure that you have enough miles in your account, all right? Then just follow the steps and it'll take you to the payments page, and that should be it. So I also want to show you another hub in the West Coast, which is San Francisco. So let's just say there are no availability in Los Angeles. So what you can do is try San Francisco, still going to Bali. Then let's put in our dates and let's do business class and find flights. Then make sure to hit this flexible calendar. From seeing this, there are 3 flights that's below 100,000 points. So that's from November 24, 25, and December 1. So let's just click on December 1. And also make sure to hit this sort and filter, best price, business lowest. So that way, the lowest business class flights will get filtered up right here instead of you looking down or scrolling down. Okay. So right now we see this one, only one, which is 2 tickets left at this price. You want to check on the details. It says here Mex cabin. It says from San Francisco to Tokyo, Haneda, it's United Polaris Business. Then after that, you have a connection for almost 10 hours. So from Haneda to Singapore, you're flying in economy. Then Singapore to Bali, it's going to be in economy. So if you ask me, I would still book this because from San Francisco to Tokyo, it's the longest flight time. And you can also have this option, let's just say you don't have enough miles. This is still good because, you can still reach to your destination. But if you want to fly in comfort, business class is what I would recommend. I also mentioned that Denver is a hub. So let's just try Denver, Colorado. So they have one in November 24 and nothing on December. So you know what? It's just December 1 to 18. So let's just click on this. Let's go next month's view. So over here, I'm seeing a lot of 270,000. So yeah, I don't think Denver is a good option for me. So I would just stick with San Francisco and LAX. So that's all of it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, just let me know. And if you learned something, please make sure to hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.